Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, for the PAC report on August 18th, 21. Today's member count's 272, 256 free, 16 VIP. Tonight, I'm going to show uh, my new Opensea account that I opened up for NFTs. You might have seen the email I sent out. It's really simple. It's the first day that I've ever even really checked it out after hearing about it for months and months and months. And it's those things that you're hearing about where people are just paying millions and millions of dollars for them. Um, it's a way to make money online. So I'm going to show you real quick. It's simple. You can have an account set up and make an NFTs yourself. And I'll do that after I go over the Pro Advertisers Club site. Okay, make sure you're reading the sticky drop down red bars up here. Be getting your daily bonus. Test the sites. Pack report. That's where you can get all my videos that I've been making. I'm thinking about making private uh, the rolling or the for the Hercules Plus free solos that I do every day. I've been making videos of the winner on the wheel. And I might be having problems that might be triggering stuff with YouTube. So I'm going to go private with those, but I'll send them out in the email. I messed up today. Some people uh, actually got like a trash file from my Google account. So what I'll do is I'll just send it to YouTube, make it private, and then send you the connection so you can go check it out. And I will also be emailing the winner to get notified. So that's what's going on with that. Um, Play the grid click game to get your free solo and to win that free HP solo. Earn your credits here. Buy advertisement with credits and cash. That problem was actually there was a slash on the wrong side of in the code, and I Martin let me. He noticed that. I didn't. I looked there, but I didn't notice that, and that's why that was a little yellow bar is right there. So pretty cool, I guess. Um, Redeem your promo codes. You get two of them. You get the email with for all the banners and texts and credits, and then you get your free solo at the grid click game. Be playing the still the site. Affiliate tools promote the splash pages. The third and the fourth one are really doing well. You got the two offers here I got going right now, which one is the $69 VIP with 200,000 extra credits, in addition to the 147 plus a ton of other advertising. Let's see if you want to. Do your downline builder. If you want a site like this, click on this and go to Phil Moore's site. He can sell you one or make you one or give you the script here to do one yourself. Make sure you're using that welcome promo that's right down here. And that's pretty much it for the site. Everything's other than my Stripe account being suspended and the Google AdSense was accounted, but I haven't used them in over a year. I was using them for ClickBank. So I don't know what triggered that all of a sudden, but I was not actually using it to advertise anything in the last year. So, but Stripe's going to hurt because it was simple to use and everybody seems to have it. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. We are now under 400,000 on the Alexa ranking, thanks to you guys. I think it's at 387 or 378 or something like that. That is awesome. And again, it's all because of you guys. Thank you for supporting my site. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's go to OpenSea. OpenSea, there it is right there. Just type that in. You'll come up to this thing, and you're going to make up a profile. Okay, and once you do, then you're signed up. It's really simple, and I'll show you what it looks like. Whatever loads. I got to put a picture in back there. But after you fill out your profile, you then get an address. Okay, that's like just like crypto, and all you're going to do is on this site is you can make for free NFTs, non-fungible tokens. All right, it means there's only one of the kind that's anywhere in the world type thing, and then it's applied to the ledger. Um, and a lot of people are doing art. They're doing MBAs doing like video clips. 40 megabytes is the total size of the data that can be made into a NFT at this time. But I took this picture when I was truck driving. I'd just gotten it was storming. It's about midnight, and I had a big grade to go down. I was heading towards Denver, and so I just pulled into here, and that's my truck right there in the middle. I was working for CFI at the time, and there's only 3 truck parking spots. But I got up in the morning, and there was this beautiful scenery with the snow, and uh, so anyway, I've had this picture. You've probably seen it around if I put it on any of my sites. But so I said I'm going to turn it into an NFT. So you go to create, and this is how I was shocked how simple it was. All you do is you upload a file just like you would on anything else. Like you could, it can even be a picture of you. It can be a picture of anything. If you got it downloaded and you can upload it into here, and it's under 40 megabytes, you're in. You give it a name. You don't have to give it an external link. They give you one. That's the one that I mailed out, even though I'm going to shorten it. It's a real long link. Then you give it a description, and then give it a collection name. It's in other words, I'm going to put all my pictures in that one collection, but you can make multiple collections. And I don't really understand this stuff. You can check it out yourself, but I didn't mess with it. Um, and then supply is 1 right now. Quantities above 1 coming soon. So right now, I just made 1. I'm doing it in Ethereum, but you have choices. You go to the Polygon, and there's some other ones. Here you can freeze it, okay? And when you freeze it, that permanently puts it on to the blockchain, but it won't actually do that. Right now, they're calling this what you're going to make right here is a light freeze. It's not really frozen yet. It is, but it does become permanent. In other words, if it's not 100% totally frozen, you can still edit this up until when you sell it. And then once you sell it, it automatically, because of the transaction, because that's all it is attached to the blockchain. That's about as simple as I can make it. Um, and then you create. That's it. Takes about 2 minutes. And then it ends up in your collections right here. Okay. I got to change that picture. It's too big, but that's going to say Pro Advertisers Club. And in this collection, then I can put as many NFTs as I want. And it's all free. When you're going to run into a money is when you want to sell it. Okay. At that point, you have to pay it's a one-time charge of it's a gas fee. And it's going to run anywhere between 20 to 50 bucks, depending on what the gas. So if it's a high gas fee when you're doing it, just come back later and it'll be cheaper. Hopefully. Or maybe not. The way things are going, it could actually probably be higher. But once you pay that one-time fee, it's free to make them. It's free to make them before you do that gas fee. That gas fee is only when you decide to put it up for sale. Well, I put this up for sale, and I put it up for the starting bid is 1 Ethereum, which is about $3,000, and the reserve bid is 2 Ethereum, which is 6,000. Okay, now if I got that kind of money, I'd be happy as hell. But I put it that high because I'm just experimenting, and I didn't want to put it for $1 and somebody buys it and then I lose this great picture. So if I'm going to lose it, it's going to be for a big chunk of change of money. And NFTs have been going for millions. I think the highest one was $70 million for the some weird art thing that uh, I don't know what it was. I know the first tweet that was ever tweeted went for 3 million, but I'm not thinking that this is in that category at all. That's why I got that high bid on there. But now here's another thing: if somebody was to buy it, say I sold it for $10, say this doesn't sell in 31 days. I got it on auction for 31 days. And so I said, well, I want to sell it anyway. I'm going to put it up for $10 and somebody buys it. That's when it becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. It can never be altered. It's immortal, supposedly, as far as crypto is concerned. I can set a royalty price on it as high as 10%, which I did. I put 10% on. And what that means is whoever buys this, if they ever decide to sell it again, you get 10% of whatever he sells it for. Forever. If it gets sold 1,000 times, every time they sell it for the rest of your life, you will get 10% royalties. Now, do you see the possibilities of making money with this? If you can figure it out, this is just the beginning. Okay. So I don't even there's no affiliate program here. Just go to OpenSea, sign up, and start uploading some pictures and make your own NFTs. You can put family pictures on there. You can put a picture of your telephone bill. You can take a picture of a bird outside. I mean, there's whatever it is, and start practicing on how to sell them. Figure out how to sell them, make some money. That's it. That's it. That's about as much as I know about it anyway. So thank you for watching and supporting Pro Advertisers Club, and have